Hi, my name is Michael, and I want to present on my survey for teachers using technology in the classroom. I interviewed 4 teachers from Roosevelt Catholic High School. The first one is a sophomore Spanish teacher, the second is a freshman biology teacher, the third is a senior English teacher, and the fourth is a senior religion teacher. The first question I asked was if they are comfortable integrating technology into the classroom. And 3 out of the 4 said yes, they are comfortable, and the fourth one is still getting there. The second question I asked was about if the teachers are familiar with the ISTE standards, and only one of them are familiar with the standards, and I can't be too surprised because before Teach Now, I hadn't heard of the ISTE standards either. The third question I asked was what kinds of technology they use in the classroom. And for the most part, it seems like the teachers use Google Classroom and other Google apps in addition to Prezi and other presentation websites that the students can use. The fourth question I asked the teachers was, of the technologies you've used, what is the most effective and the least effective? For the most part, again, it seems like they think that Google Classroom is the most effective, and anything else that enables the teachers or the students to be creative. And all the teachers use technology on a weekly basis. Yay! The sixth question I asked was, do students in your classes use technology to collaborate with each other? And for the most part, it seems like the teachers I interviewed do have the students collaborate, except for Tim. And they do so through Kahoot and Google Docs and other presentations that they work on together. Lastly, my final question is, what advice do you have for planning a lesson using technology? Joanna seems to like using Planbook. Nicole B likes to incorporate technology into every lesson, and Nicole S and Tim both suggest trying it first before trying it with the students. Trying it first by myself before using it with the students. So my top 5 items for the checklists for technology is students are aware of the rules of using technology, that technology enriches the students' learning, the students use technology that they're familiar with or that they can easily learn, the technology allows the students to collaborate, and each objective is attainable by every student using different strategies. So the one lesson plan I received was from Nicole B, who teaches biology, and she had a few good items that I want to point out. She has the 3 areas I think are important are that are stressed in her lesson plan is collaboration, assessment, and reinforcement. So collaboration happens through the students sharing a Google Doc that they work on together, so they can learn from each other, and that helps them act as empowered learners and knowledge constructors, so that they can all benefit from this one doc. Assessment comes in the form of the exit ticket that she has. So students will demonstrate their knowledge of a certain topic, and this demonstrates to the teacher through creative communication that the students understand the topic, that the teacher is trying to get across. And then lastly, reinforcement comes through the use of showing videos, which touches upon the same topics that the teacher is trying to get across, but in a different way, and with the use of visual online media. So besides those three main pieces that Nicole B had in her lesson, something else I might want to use to enhance the lesson would be using a PowerPoint, not during class though, because as Nicole S had mentioned, it's pretty flat to have the students listen to a lecture, but allowing the students to view the PowerPoint on their own, to flip the classroom a little bit. There's also, for science, like Nicole and myself teach, there's online interactive simulations that might be beneficial where an in-class lab is not feasible. So some of those websites where they have simulations are PhET and the Concord Consortium. So I think she could probably incorporate that into these lessons, especially with water. So I guess one last way Nicole could improve her lesson is by making the students innovative designers, with the students designing, or with the students identifying and solving problems with creative solutions. So in this really important topic about water, there's so many ways to tie in to real world problems and examples that the students can relate to. And that about sums up my analysis of this lesson. So thank you for watching.